Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TK Designer. Today we will dive into how to apply the blue light smoke effect on the butterfly using Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, I have to select the butterfly. You can use any selection tool to select the butterfly, but I would prefer the pen tool for perfect selection. So go to the left toolbar and select the pen tool. Then go up to the top menu and select the path. Now manually select the butterfly. It should be perfect and clean. I am working fast to decrease the tutorial length. You can take more time to do this perfectly. After selecting the butterfly, press Ctrl Enter to convert the path to selection. Now make a copy of the butterfly by pressing Ctrl J. Change the name of the layer to butterfly. Unlock the background layer and keep the name BG. Then click on the adjustment icon and select brightness contrast. Decrease the brightness minus 50% and increase the contrast 100%. Select the butterfly layer, then click on the adjustment icon and select hue and saturation. Decrease the saturation minus 100%. Change the layer name to black and white. Again, click on the adjustment icon, then select hue and saturation. Click on the check mark of the color. Increase the saturation to around 90. Increase the hue to around 225 for blue light colors. It's perfect. Double click on the layer and keep the name Blue Effect. Then select both color layers and make a group by dragging to the group icon. Keep the group layer name color. Then click on the eyes icon on the blue effect layer to make it invisible. Now select the butterfly layer. Go up to the top menu and click on the image. Then choose adjustment and click on the invert. Make a copy of the layer by dragging on the new layer icon. Go up to the top menu and click on the filter. Then choose stylize and click find edges. Now click on the layer style and select inner glow. Set the blending mode to screen. Increase the opacity to 100%. Increase size to around 150 pixels. Then click OK. Again, go up to the top menu and click on the image, then choose adjustment and click on the invert. Then go to the top menu and click fit on screen. Select both butterfly layers and make a group by dragging layers on the group icon. Change the group layer name to butterfly. Then create a new layer on the top of the butterfly layer for the smoke effect. Change the layer name to smoke. Go to the left toolbar and select brush. Make sure that the foreground color is white. Now draw some lines like smoke on the butterfly. After that, go up to the top menu and click on the filter. Then choose Blur Gallery and click Path Blur. Now adjust the path blur line on the smoke line. You can take multiple points to adjust. Also, you can take another path by clicking anywhere. Close the path line by pressing the Alt key and clicking the last point of the path. Change the basic blur to rear sync flash. Keep its speed around 500% and taper 10%. You can adjust the path blur line to make it look good. It's very easy to play with points of the path. Then click OK. Now click on the eyes icon of the blue effect layer to make it visible. It has been done. You can make it more realistic. Just copy the smoke layer, go up to the top menu and click on the edit, then select free transform. Now adjust the smoke on the butterfly. Select both the smoke layers and make a group by dragging layers on the group icon. Keep the name of the group smoke. And it has been completed. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.